let's begin. Chapter 1. What is Battlefield? Battlefield is combined arms warfare. Infantry, tanks, jets, helis, everyone smashing objectives. Your win condition isn't KD. It's capturing flags, managing tickets, and keeping your squad alive. For all you new recruits, smokes are meta. No smokes equals you're dead. With smokes, you live to fight. Chapter 2. Assault Class. Assault is your spearhead, the class that knocks with grenade launchers and buckshot. Oh, keep in mind, the deploy beacon now belongs to Assault. That's massive. It means your spearhead also reinforces Assault loadout, ARs, shotguns, beacons, injectors, smokes, frags. Brick Squad Doctrine. Place beacons behind the fight, not in the meat grinder. Chapter 3. Engineer Class. Engineers keep tanks honest. You destroy theirs. You repair ours. It seems that the pilots didn't like the upgrades to the engineers pack, allowing them to carry dual launchers. HQ has asked me to poll the men to get your thoughts. Is this fair or broken? Brick Squad Doctrine. Flexibility and firepower are king. Fire at will until HQ says otherwise. Engineer loadout, SMGs, rockets, AA, repair tool, mines. Tip, smoke first, then fix. Engineers don't just break tanks, they break egos. Chapter 4, Support Class. Support is your squad's heartbeat with faster revives. One revive equals one ticket saved. Support loadout, LMGs, ammo crates, defibs, smoke grenades. Doctrine, smoke first, revive second. Dead medics save nobody. Support your squad or ship off home. Chapter 5, Recon Class. Recon is no longer just the sniper. With the deploy beacon gone, you're now intel officer. Your UAV will bring wins as long as you ensure your squad is alive to take action. Recon loadout, snipers, DMRs, sensor darts, C4, better spotting traits, doctrine, spot everything, armor, snipers, flanks. Recon isn't about camping. Recon is about winning fights your squad never saw coming. Chapter 6, Weapons, open versus closed. Let's talk open versus closed weapons. HQ can't seem to make up their mind on the logistics of this war. Either give us all the guns, or let my men use the weapons they were trained for. The choice is hurting morale. For you, new recruits, open means any class, any gun. Closed means the classic battlefield. Weapons locked by class. When closed, assault equals assault rifles. Engineer equals submachine guns. Support equals light machine guns. Recon equals sniper rifles. Closed classes build teamwork. Open classes grant freedom. Brick Squad Doctrine. Train closed first. Learn the class. Then experiment in open. Chapter 7. HQ's War Game. Debrief. Intel from HQ. Post-war game. Update. Gunplay. Recoil tuned. Shotguns nerfed. Movement. Bunny hops gone. Slide spam nerfed. Parachutes open smoother. Maps and UI. Menus overhauled. New maps coming. Merak Valley and Firestorm. Modes. Rush equals 12 by 12 default. Breakthrough equals 48 or 64 players. Labs. Ongoing experiments with gadgets, cosmetics, tweaks. Bottom line, HQ is listening. The battlefield is shifting before launch. Chapter 8, Tactics and Tips. Final lesson, Tactics. Map flow, flag to flag. Don't chase kills in the boonies. Assault and support. Push, think waves. Wave 1 smokes. Wave 2 spawns and caps. Vehicles. Tanks angle enemy armor and use cover to prevent being blown to bits. Engineers must coordinate their attacks and salvo rockets together. Protect our armor at all costs and destroy the enemy vehicles as quickly as possible. Recon. Hang back a bit and call out flanking enemies. Prep your UAV and then join your squad on the front lines to light the enemy up and drive them from their holes. Push the enemy off the objective and then turn towards the closest enemy objective and prepare for a counterattack. Recon and engineers, set your explosives. Assault, prepare to clean up. And support, be ready to keep your squad in the fight. Utility, smokes, ammo, beacons, repairs. The unsexy plays are the winning plays. Briefing summary. And that's your Brick Squad basic training. Classes, debates, updates, and tactics. If this helped you survive, capture, or make a pilot uninstall, welcome to the squad. I am Sergeant Bricks. Smash like, hit subscribe, and tell me your main class in the comments. Brick Squad dismissed. Now form up for Currahee.